As y'all can see off the rip, we getting a crazy push. We just broke our candle. Hopefully this shit could come up straight to take profit, y'all. Not really no time wasted. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to just get there.
Yeah, so I just got off of work. I'm about to roll me up some, this is just candy. You know what I'm saying? This shit's smoking, I ain't gonna front.
You could be funded by tomorrow. You could be funded within 2-3 days, you know what I'm saying? But the goal is to get funded as soon as possible so we can get to that real paper.
Nigga, I'm dealing with problems, I gotta get through it. I'm hearing voices in my head, and I've been going through pain. I cannot believe all of this shit that you said. I make them sick from the way that I run up the money. They wish they could cut off my legs. All of my real niggas in the streets was starving. Gotta make sure that they fed. Remember days I was trapping apartments. Yeah, nigga gon' get it regardless. Mama, look at what your baby done started. Gotta get it, I'm going my hardest. When I'm popping my shit in the ice.
YouTube, what is good with y'all, man? Welcome to another video. It is Tuesday, May 20th, and as y'all can see, we about to be back on these charts. You know what I'm saying? Today gonna be a little different. I'm trying to pass a 50K challenge, and I'm about to just pretty much show y'all how I go about passing my evaluations. I don't sit here and take weeks to months to try to pass it. I try to pass it in just one trade. So y'all about to see me get on here, find the best trade possible, and pretty much just go all in. If we even find a trade, it could be a no trade day, but you know what I'm saying, I'm pretty sure I am gonna find me a setup. And on top of that, I did make a few changes that I really feel like could take things to the next level. You know what I'm saying? Just little shit, not nothing major, but I think it's real effective. And y'all about to pretty much see that in the analysis. And other than that, I don't really got much to talk about, y'all. We about to hit these charts, and that's what it is. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, so it's early as hell. It's only 8:20, you feel me? As soon as I got on here, I seen the setup on gold. We basically got our buy zone down here, sell zone up here. And we had this untouched demand sitting at the bottom. So I'm getting aggressive right here, you feel me? And I'm just trying to pass this challenge in one trade. And so I had risked 1,500 to win about 3,000, you feel me? And once this trade win, that'll be a passed account, you know what I'm saying? So like, yeah, we just made a few changes, y'all. Sometimes if I see like a untouched demand, instead of waiting for like a break of a 61 or like a break of structure, I just get in aggressively. And then if we still get the break of structure or the break of the 61, I could either scale in or I could just leave it alone with the better entry, you feel me? So that's basically how I'm coming with the shit, y'all. Yeah, we got it set up as soon as I open the charts, literally. As soon as I open these bitches. But yeah, we about to just see what this shit do, y'all. Hopefully, just go to take profit, we pass this account, and then that'll be that. As y'all can see off the rip, we getting a crazy push. We just broke our candle. Hopefully this shit could come up straight to take profit, y'all. Not really no time wasted. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to just get there. It's early as hell. It's only 8:20. If I could end my day before 8:30, 8:45, that'd be cool. But we is up about 1,400, you know what I'm saying? 1,500. We trying to just get there, y'all. This shit is a great push. This is exactly what I was looking for off of this zone. And just like that, y'all, take profit is hit. It's only 8:30 in the morning. You know what I'm saying? And that's pretty much how I'm passing these evaluations, yo. I'm going all in, one trade. You know what I'm saying? These shit's only $30 on Apex. I gotta pay $125 to activate it now. But at the end of the day, bro, the evaluation is only $30. So it's like I'm gonna go all in on that shit every time. And just to show y'all real quick, we up 53,082. You know what I'm saying? We needed $3,000 to pass the account. The account is now passed, and it's just as simple as that. If I really wanted to, I could do this shit till I get 20 accounts. You know what I'm saying? Just go all in, $30 every here and there, boom. Get me about 5-10 accounts, and then we could just be playing with crazy pape. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's just how I do this shit, y'all. I pretty much just wanted to show y'all today how easy it really is to get funded. People think it's so hard to get funded when it's really not. As long as you got a strategy that you know work. You know what I'm saying? Remember I told you I made some changes. I'll be getting aggressive now. If I'd have waited for a break of structure, break of the 61, whatever, I'd have completely missed the setup. Me getting aggressive allowed me to catch this shit and literally won in, 5-10 minutes, you feel me? So that's pretty much how I'm coming with this shit. Same strategy. I'm just fucking with the aggressive entries. I'm still, obviously still taking break of structures and break of 61s and all that. But if I do see an aggressive entry above that 200 EMA, I'm gonna take it every time. You know what I'm saying? And now I can hop into my scaling bag. I could do so much more off of the aggressive entry, you feel me? And make way more profit. So yeah, it's a lot to come, y'all. This shit about to go up crazy. I'm not gonna lie. I say that shit a lot, but I'm saying this change I made, it's like this shit working wonders. I was just trading it off camera, and it's like, you know what I'm saying, this shit crazy, y'all. But shit, it's 8:30, man. I'm about to smoke. I'm probably gonna chill a little longer. I'll probably just watch the chart, see what shit do. But for the most part, my day is done, y'all. Y'all see how this shit go. This is trading, man. Now we about to activate this account and right back to the money. And real quick too, y'all, I forgot something. First of all, look at this fucking trade. We just called this shit aggressively. This shit went up for damn near, no, it went up for damn near a 1 to 6. And it's probably gonna still keep going. That's just the power of this shit, y'all. When you really know how to read these markets and analyze it, you know what I'm saying, you could predict shit like this. And I probably would have closed here anyways on a live account, but I definitely would have left a runner. My runner would have hit for like a 1 to 4. Yeah, though, we did make some changes, though, y'all. If y'all look over here, y'all notice, am I actively watching? Y'all don't see indices no more. Y'all don't see NASDAQ. Y'all don't see US 30. Y'all don't see SPX. I'm not trading indices no more, y'all. Just being because they just move a little bit too volatile for my strategy. My strategy involved getting setups in between, like small windows like this. And it's just like NASDAQ and just indices, period. Them shits just move too fast. I don't really be getting those setups. With my new like aggressive entry model, it's possible, but it's like it's still just not it. And then I just don't like having to wait till 9:30. Then you can't trade a 9:30 candle because a lot of times that 9:30 candle is the candle that tap into your zone and then go up. You know what I'm saying? So it's like being that you can't really trade a 9:30 candle because that's when the stock market open. It causes me to miss setups as well, and then it just be too volatile to get a setup after that. And then you can't take setups before the 9:30 because you don't want the 9:30 to come stop you out. Like, it's just too much stipulations with indices, bro. So I'm just trading gold, euro, and silver. You know what I'm saying? Gold and silver, they both still move volatile. They just not as volatile as indices. You can still get some valid setups. And then euro is just a good pair for like small moves. You know what I'm saying? That's pretty much what I be like right here. This is really a small move. I just capitalized on it. So euro is what's gonna give me decent setups in them small windows like this too. You feel me? So these are the only 3 pairs I'm rocking with. You know what I'm saying? I back tested them for hours at a time. This weekend that just passed, and this shit is like real effective, y'all. So my confidence is there. You know what I'm saying? I just gotta execute now.
All right, y'all, so I did just get off of work, but I left the tripod at home, you feel me? So we got to use the front camera today. If y'all didn't know, I recorded my iPhone 16 Pro. I don't got like no crazy camera, no shit like that. But I normally use the back camera because it's a little more clear. But like I said, I forgot the tripod, so we got to use the front camera. But it's all good, though. We should still be valid. And yeah, so I just got off of work. I'm about to roll me up some It's Just Candy. You know what I'm saying? This shit's smoking. I ain't gonna front. And after we do that, I'm probably just gonna hit the road, DoorDash for a little bit, make a couple more dollars. And then, yeah, ain't shit really changed, man. Y'all already know how this shit go. We probably talk about the trading session later, what went down, you know what I'm saying? Then just probably talk about more trading shit and maybe even just life shit in general. I don't know. Wherever the conversation go, that's where it go. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Y'all know how them after work blunts hit. Them shits hit different. So I'm trying to see what that be like real quick. I'm gonna hit y'all in a minute.
I am home now. Before the video end, I did want to talk to y'all real quick, per usual. You know what I'm saying? And basically what I wanted to talk about to y'all today is just this whole evaluation funded account thing. As y'all can see in the trading session earlier, we was on the evaluation account. I went all in on one trade and I passed the account in one trade, you know what I'm saying? And basically where I'm going with that is I want y'all to understand that time is money. And it pay to play, you know what I'm saying? It pays to play and time is money. So what I feel like the best thing to do is find you a cheap prop firm account, preferably futures, because that's where you're gonna get the cheaper prices at. Find you a cheap prop firm, you know what I'm saying? I use Apex. It's only $30 a month, you know what I'm saying? They got accounts that's that's more, but that 50K account, you only gonna pay like $34 a month once you use the 80% off promo. Use Apex, you know what I'm saying? It's just $30. And I say that time is money because if you take that evaluation account and you take it trade by trade, that shit could take you weeks to months to pass the account, or you could even fail the account. You know what I'm saying? Imagine putting in 3 months worth of your time to not even end up with an account, to end up blowing the account or some shit. You feel me? Like, that shit can just be a waste of time depending on how your trading is. So what I suggest you do is just grab that evaluation account, $30, go all in, and if you pass it, you fund it. You could be funded by tomorrow. You could be funded within 2-3 days, you know what I'm saying? But the goal is to get funded as soon as possible so we can get to that real paper. Now, the only thing I want to say about that is once you get on the funded account, you got to get back to your trading plan and being strict with that risk management. You feel me? Because what this can do is it can turn you into having a gambling mindset. You feel me? That's what you don't want. Use it to get funded quick, but then that's it. Once you get on that live account, you got to use proper risk management and do everything you're supposed to be doing. You know what I'm saying? But as far as actually getting funded, y'all, go all in on that trade. You know what I'm saying? Whether you get a signal from somebody or whether you just know how to trade yourself. First of all, I don't suggest you even do it at all if you don't know how to trade. If you can't win trades on a daily basis, you know what I'm saying, just keep learning until you get there. But if you know you can win trades consistently, go all in on that evaluation and get to that real paper. You know what I'm saying? Because all the evaluation shit is simulated. And that shit ain't going to really do nothing for you but just waste your time. You know what I'm saying? That's what I believe. That's how I go about passing my accounts. You know what I'm saying? It might not work for you. You might just be a slow-paced person where you just got to take your time with everything. But me, I just try to hurry up and get through that whole... let's just call it the fake stage because the shit is just fake money. It don't mean nothing. You know what I'm saying? Just try to get to the real funded account stage where we can actually make that paper. And that's pretty much where I'm at right now. Y'all see me, I just went all in on the 50K account. Now I'm about to activate it, and then just like that, and just one day I'm funded. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm about to try to just use the accounts I got, get me a payout, invest it back into the shit. You know what I'm saying? Try to grab me maybe 20 accounts now. Now I got 20 plus. And just try to grind it out till we get in 20, 30, 40K payouts, you know what I'm saying? So that's pretty much where it's at. I know I can win trades consistently. I know I could pass evaluations in one trade. So I'm not never tripping about getting funded. As far as I know, I'm forever funded. Because if I do happen to fail an account, I'll get that shit back in one day, you know what I'm saying? So my worry's not about being funded no more. I just need to get these payouts coming in, you know what I'm saying? Keep these shits rolling and just get it to the point where I got bread coming in consistently. So that's where I'm at, y'all. And I just wanted to just share with y'all what I feel is the best way to pass these evaluations. Because like I said, time is money and you got to pay to play. And that's just what it is. You know what I'm saying? Nobody want their time wasted. Now, it's going to be the end of the vlog, y'all, though. It's late as hell and I'm tired. And I still want to smoke me a little blunt real quick. Probably watch me a couple YouTube videos and just kick it. You know what I'm saying? So that's what my night looking like tomorrow. I will be back on the charts just like every day. And hopefully I could get y'all another vlog. But other than that, that's it, man. I'm going to catch y'all next video.